Would you like some fireworks? I can see them.
Ah! What was that?
No, don't go indoors. It was
almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, rolling like the breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Manners lady, stranger to blue water.
Having one of those mornings. I'm having one of those mornings where everything happens at once and you haven't got enough time to do it all. Well, that is me today. But something has come through the post today and I'm very excited about this one. I know what it is and it's a very important announcement. Quick setup, let's talk about it. Okay. Something I want to talk about now is manifestation. So much has happened since I quit my job, got rid of the corporate life, and then took the title of being a mental health ambassador by the horn. I have been getting so much good feedback and so many amazing things have been happening. I am now 2/3 up to my target for the Patreon. I couldn't have this morning that everything happens at once and I haven't got enough time. I couldn't be doing this without you guys, so thank you very much for that time. Signing up to the Patreon has given me time and autonomy to do this as a full-time job, and it's incredible. I've been in contact with so many amazing healthcare professionals, but anyway, manifestation. So, a couple of things happened. You saw in the last vlog, I wanted free beer for painting a picture for my uncle, which has a theme with one of his favourite beers, Delirium. Legends, thank you. And it came through, they came through. They said, why not? Here we go. With manifestation, guys, if you don't ask, you don't get, I believe. Okay, so manifestation doesn't work with just like going, please universe, give me that. You know, you need to make the right steps, whether it's you put yourself into the right circles, you put yourself into the right situations, you put yourself into the right tribe. Taking up a voluntary job in somewhere that you want to lead on to a paid job. Little things like this just really help with manifestation, okay? And ask your friends, ask your family. Say, I've got this going on. Talk about it, okay? It's, you never know who's gonna show up for you at the right time. Now, this week, I manifested, this happened within 24 hours, I haven't been able to say it until now, but I manifested a surf sponsorship. I basically don't have a surfboard anymore. I'm moving back to Cornwall. Yeah, I'm going to be collaborating with some amazing artists and charities there as well. So I'm really looking forward to introducing you to my Newquay family and my Newquay vibe. So what I did, I made a post saying, surf brands, if anyone is out there seeing what I'm doing and wants to get involved with the mental health awareness message that I am putting out, and you want to align yourself with me, I really need a surfboard and I would love to work with a brand. Within 24 hours, okay, first off, actually before this, a little skip back, Hot Doggers, legends, Hot Doggers of Saunton Sands, Norman Wright, thank you very much. He got in touch with me and became my patron. He loved the cause. He's been sharing my content so much and has been really helpful. He sent me a hat. Check it out. Oh yes! Hot Doggers Surf Club. I'm now part of the team. I'm going to be working with him as well in a future collaboration. Hopefully once we can get events going back again, there's something going on with some funding for the club for helping with mental health awareness and surfing. But I put this post out, and then because I'd asked people, I said, look, I'm looking for a surf brand. Norman Wright was like straight on it, and he tagged someone in that might be interested, and that person was Stephen Hendon of Oblong Surfboards. And now I've always been a fan of Oblong Surfboards. I've looked at them and they're just very nice. He's an extremely good shaper, and Oblong, within 24 hours, Oblong Surfboards had formed a sponsorship with me, with Graham Cullis Art, which I am absolutely stoked about. It's so awesome. And yeah, I've got a package through the post. So here it is. Oh, that's nice. Check it out. Oblong Surfboards. I am now a sponsored surfer. That's one of my dreams come true. Thank you so much, Steve and Anita from Oblong. You are absolute stars, and I can't wait to do events and promote the brand alongside such an important message. Thank you so much for doing this for me. I've got it on backwards. So Oblong, please go and check these guys out. Oblong Surfboards.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, rolling like the breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads.
Hello, Graham.
Hello, Mum. Do you want to come into the garage and have a look?
Okay, hold on.
Are you going to shut your eyes when you open the garage? I think I can hear her. She's here, she's outside. Alright, open the garage but shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes, shut your eyes, shut your eyes, shut your eyes, shut your eyes.
I'll put my head down.
Shut your eyes.
Right.
Right, come towards me, shut your eyes, keep your eyes shut. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Alright.
Careful.
Alright, okay, wait there, wait there, wait there.
Where have I
Oh,
got to
damn it.
stand?
Right, okay, and open your eyes and look.
Where have I got to look? That's me.
No.
Oh, Graham, it's beautiful.
Do you like
It
it?
looks wet.
Huh?
It looks. The water looks wet. Oh, it's one of your best ever. That's going to be a card, isn't it? A karma card.
Maybe.
No, it is.
I'll have to make this one a karma card,
Yeah, it's
apparently.
this is a karma card, people. You're getting this one next time. Oh my word.
Go on, get close to it then. Have a little look.
Oh, look at my picture. You got to get a commission off my boy because he's blooming good. Oh. Oh, it's absolutely blooming fantastic. How did you learn to do that?
I don't know.
Where did it come from? Oh, it's... I don't know what to say. Isn't it lovely? Oh. Can I take a picture?
Yeah, of course you can.
Ooh. Oh, blimey heck. Oh, Graham! So good!
Where are you gonna hang it?
In the foot of our bed.
So you're gonna wake up every day?
Every day.
Every day you're gonna wake up and look at
And
it?
go to bed sleeping at it, looking at it.
Aww. She's gonna wake up to my...
Turn it round and show them. It's a blooming fantastic picture, isn't it?
You love it?
I do! Look at it. The water's wet. So, folks, you need to let him do your picture because what can I say? He's fantastic. Oh, don't go home. I mean, you're home. Don't go away.
I'm going to Newquay now,
No.
leaving Melita.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge.
This is the last moments I get to spend with my family before I go to Cornwall. I'm coming to the end of my time here in Pevensey Bay at my parents' house.
Trees younger than mountains.
M to the D.
To the beach! Have you loved the experience of having the...
Curate's egg.
What?
Curate's egg.
What's curate's egg?
It was good in parts. You heard that expression?
No. I've enjoyed every single minute of being with them, and it's been an amazing fun roller coaster, and they are hilarious and my rocks. And I highly recommend anyone, if you've gone off and flocked the nest and got yourself a house and 2 kids and nice jobs and you don't see your parents much, consider coming back home and moving into the spare room for about 3 months. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but what you will discover is unreal. Okay, whatever situation you're in, you know, if you just travel a lot and you go to your parents' house between travelling, that's what I've been doing. I've been going between travel trips. I've been going back to my parents' house and not really giving them my time and giving them myself. I've just been like concentrating on getting off to the next place. But this time I stopped. And I had an amazing experience, and I got to know my parents. If you're lucky enough to have your parents around, if you haven't spoken to them for a while, reconnect with them. I know not everyone's situation is the same. If there is a reason for you to connect, please do. Go and see these incredible people that gave you life on this planet, and learn. They will learn from you, you will learn from them. It's amazing, and I can't recommend it enough. Well, I'm out of here.
Don't.
I'm out of here. I'm off to make my first little stop off in Brighton, and in the morning, Newquay. Woohoo!
Roads take me home to a place I belong.
Let's do this.
Mountain mama, take me home. Country road.
So on I went to Brighton for the evening, then in the morning I hit the road for Newquay. I made a few stops along the way, firstly to the house of the incredible artist Loz Page in Bognor Regis. It was so inspiring seeing her amazing artworks, and she kindly wanted to hook me up with some art supplies. And of course, I made the mandatory cheeky Macca's stop. Then I made a quick diversion up to North Devon to see the legend that is Ben Clifton. He's kindly lending me his longboard so that I can get into the ocean ASAP. What an absolute dude. Then off into the sunset, me and Sapphire make our last leg to Newquay. Yes. Next time on Graham Cullis Art. I get all set up in my new beachside studio in Newquay, and then I crack on with one of my most challenging commissions to date.
Blue Ridge Mountains.
I reunite with one of my surf fitness buddies, Matt Mitchell, for some early morning beach workouts and some cold water therapy. I start my first Cornwall mental health collaboration with local therapist Kate Evans, owner of the Therapy Studios on Bury Road. We discuss a free art therapy event that we want to put on very soon. Watch this space. I hang out and have a chat with Stephen at Oblong Surfboards, and he gets to work on my new board. Hey legends, thanks so much for watching this. The production of this vlog is a full-time job. If you can spare the price of a cup of coffee once a month, then please sign up for my Karma Card project. Go to www.patreon.com/Graham Cullis Art. This will also help me with all my mental health campaigns that I want to do in the future. Thank you.
Look at the state of those. What's that, Mum? Pooch parlour.
Pooch parlour.
Oh, look at that.
The things us mothers have to do, I don't know, many mothers would do this for their nearly 40-year-old son. And this little piggy went
Whee! All the way home to Newquay.